Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet. One of the health benefits of self-heal plants is how wonderfully it can heal wounds and protect the skin. The term for this is a vulnerary herb. Self-heal can be used for a variety of minor injuries to the skin, including scrapes and cuts and burns. It can be used to draw out infections such as boils and abscesses, and due to self-heal's cooling abilities, it's especially indicated when there are signs of redness or warmth. Several studies have shown that self-heal has the ability to protect skin cells from UVA and UVB radiation. In one in vitro study, researchers looked at self-heal as an herbal photoprotectant and concluded that it may offer defense against the sun when used in skin products. A 2018 in vitro study concluded that their findings regarding self-heal and skin health indicate that treatment with self-heal extract has a potential protective effect against UVB-induced photoaging and photoinflammation. While we're waiting for human clinical trials to confirm these findings, self-heal infused oils can be a nourishing addition to your skincare regimen. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.